G'day guys, welcome to today's video. So today's video I will be doing, I guess you could call it, wouldn't call it a review, but I will be doing the first start and run of the RCGF 60cc engine. Now some of you are probably thinking this is out of the ordinary, just doing a start and run of an engine. Technically yes, but no. So I've bought an RCGF 60cc aircraft engine. Now, some of you who know me personally will know what this is going to be about, but for you, for everyone else, I am going to be later on, maybe the middle of this year or towards the end of this year, I will be building a new model aircraft. I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet. However, one of the things I need is an engine. So I bought this engine and it was one hell of a deal. Now, a lot of you guys are probably thinking, why an RCGF? Why not a DLE or an OS or a desert aircraft engine? Don't get me wrong, guys. There's nothing wrong with those engines. However, when you look at those engines, like for instance the OS 60cc engine, hanging around the 900 to 1000 mark, similar to the DLE engine, and even the desert aircraft engine is even more. And this engine I got again off AliExpress, and it was a hell of a deal. Because I had a, what do you call it, a coupon, and it took, I think it was almost $60 off the price. And then when you factor in, because here in Australia, for those that aren't aware, in Australia we have what's called a GST, so 10% is added onto the price. And once you've done all that and currency conversion, worked out to $401 delivered to my door. So you can understand why. The other reason why I went for another an RCGF engine is I have another one. So if you've been following the channel for quite a while, you'll have seen that I did, over a period of about 6 months, I did a rebuild and refurbish of a model airplane that was given to me by a friend, and I put an RCGF 35cc engine in it, and I can't fault the engine. So what we're going to do is we're going to head outside and hopefully get it started. So let's head outside and we'll have a quick look and see if we can get it started. Alrighty guys, so here it is. So 60cc's, it's not the Stinger line, it's the standard RCGF engine. So it's the side exhaust, running, it was a bit vague on AliExpress. It had some info and it said everything from a 22 inch prop to a 24, with the different variances of pitch. Then the booklet said recommended a 24 by 8, I think it was. Yeah, 24 by 8. So, and then it says for running procedure, a slightly smaller prop. So I've opted for this men's 23 by 10. The factory, it's set from the factory. High speed needle set at 2 turns out. Low speed needle is 1.3 turns. I checked them. They were pretty much on, although low speed needle I have done as 1.5 turns out. So those are factory settings, and it comes with ignition box, comes with mounts, obviously doesn't have a tank, and I've just got a simple servo setup for it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get it primed and see how we go. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll open the throttle, and what I'm going to do is I won't turn the ignition on, but I will give it some choke, and there's no fuel in here, so we'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, it's drawing fuel. Okay, we will lower the throttle now. Let's give it a little bit of throttle. I'll be honest, I'm quite nervous. Alright, ignition is on. Ooh, all right. Choke off. Ooh. Okay. Well guys, I reckon that is successful. I didn't want to run it too much. As you saw, there was quite a bit of shaking. It is definitely running rich, as you can see here. Yeah, it's running nice and rich, so that is good. Like I said, I didn't want to run it too long because I mean, it was literally shaking the hell out of the table here, and I mean, like I said, you know, 60 cc's, that's big, it's heavy, and I am happy with that, guys. It's very easy, quite easy to start. That was its very first start. For those that want to know, I am running it on premium unleaded. In Australia our premium is rated as 95 octane. I think that's 91 octane in the United States, and it's on a mix of 25:1. That's what I run all my petrol / gasoline engines on. Yeah guys, I am happy with that. It's just going to be a quick video. Like I said, this engine is going to be in a new build later on this year. I just wanted to give this engine a quick start and see how it goes. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you have any questions or anything, don't hesitate to drop a comment. But until then, as always, enjoy your hobby and cheers.